There comes a moment in every person's life when the noise of the world becomes too loud and the opinions of others become too heavy. You look around hoping someone will believe in you. You wait for support. You wait for the perfect opportunity. You wait for someone to save you. But one day you realize the most powerful journey begins the moment you stop waiting. It begins when you choose to walk alone. Walking alone does not mean you are lonely. It means you have made the decision to trust yourself even when no one else does. Every successful person has experienced seasons where they had to move forward without applause, without recognition, and without encouragement. Those quiet moments are not meant to break you. They are meant to build you. Jim Rohn often reminded us that success is not something you chase. It is something you attract by becoming the person you need to become. That transformation cannot happen if you depend on everyone else's approval. Growth begins when you take responsibility for your own life. Think about the strongest tree in the forest. It did not become strong overnight. It survived storms, powerful winds, and harsh seasons. Every challenge forced its roots to grow deeper. Your struggles are doing the same for you. Every disappointment, every failure, and every setback is preparing you for a future that requires greater strength. Too many people give up because the journey becomes uncomfortable. They mistake temporary pain for permanent failure. But the truth is that discomfort is often a sign that you are growing. Muscles grow through resistance. Character grows through adversity. Confidence grows by doing difficult things again and again. If you want to rebuild your life, you must first rebuild your mindset. Stop saying you cannot. Stop believing you are too late. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Your life is your own story, and your next chapter has not been written yet. The greatest investment you will ever make is in yourself. Read books that challenge your thinking. Learn skills that increase your value. Take care of your body because it is the vehicle that carries your dreams. Spend time improving your mind every single day. Small improvements may seem invisible today, but over time they create extraordinary results. Do not fear being alone. Fear remaining the same person year after year because you refuse to grow. Solitude gives you something that constant distraction never can. It gives you clarity. It allows you to hear your own thoughts instead of everyone else's opinions. It teaches you who you really are. There will be days when nobody claps for your progress. Keep going anyway. There will be nights when doubt whispers that you should quit. Keep going anyway. There will be moments when success feels impossibly far away. Keep going anyway. Persistence is often the only difference between those who succeed and those who surrender. Remember that your future is shaped by your daily habits, not by your occasional efforts. The choices you make every morning determine the life you live tomorrow. Wake up with purpose. Set clear goals. Protect your time because every hour wasted is a piece of your future that you will never get back. Many people spend years blaming their circumstances. They blame their family, their past, their education, or their luck. But excuses have never built a successful life. Responsibility does. The moment you accept that your future is in your hands is the moment your life begins to change. Walking alone also means having the courage to say no. Say no to negativity. Say no to toxic relationships. Say no to habits that steal your energy and your potential. Every yes to distraction is a no to your dreams. Guard your focus because where your attention goes, your life follows. Do not expect everyone to understand your journey. Some people will laugh at your dreams because they cannot see your vision. Others will doubt your abilities because they judge you by your present instead of your potential. Let them doubt. Their opinion does not define your destiny. Success is built in silence long before it is celebrated in public. While others are sleeping, you can be learning. While others are complaining, you can be improving. While others are making excuses, you can be taking action. Your discipline today becomes your freedom tomorrow. Never underestimate the power of one decision. One decision to wake up earlier. One decision to stop quitting. One decision to believe in yourself. One decision can completely change the direction of your life. Great lives are not built through giant leaps. They are built through consistent small steps repeated every day. Every challenge you face is preparing you for a greater responsibility. The obstacles in your path are not there to stop you. They are there to strengthen you. Every scar carries a lesson. Every failure carries wisdom. Every setback carries an opportunity to become stronger than before. Believe in the person you are becoming, even if you cannot yet see the final result. A sculptor sees the masterpiece inside the stone long before anyone else does. In the same way, your future exists inside your daily actions. Keep shaping yourself with patience, discipline, and faith. As you continue walking alone, something incredible happens. You stop seeking validation from others because your confidence comes from within. You stop fearing failure because you understand it is part of growth. You stop chasing approval because you are too busy building your purpose. One day, people will notice the success they never saw you building. They will admire the confidence they never watched you develop. They will celebrate the victories they never saw you fight for. What they call overnight success will actually be years of quiet discipline, determination, and relentless self-improvement. So keep walking even when the road is empty. Keep believing even when the results are invisible. Keep learning even when progress feels slow. Every step you take is shaping a stronger, wiser, and more capable version of yourself. Your greatest competition is not another person. It is the person you were yesterday. Become a little better every single day. Improve your habits, sharpen your skills, strengthen your character, and never stop growing. The journey of rebuilding your life begins with one simple decision. Choose yourself. Choose discipline over comfort. Choose courage over fear. Choose action over excuses. Walk alone if you must, because the road to greatness has always been traveled by those brave enough to believe in themselves first. Your future is waiting. Your potential is unlimited. Your story is far from over. Stand up, take the first step, walk alone, build yourself, and never look back.